The Stanley Wildfare Core 12-piece stainless steel fry pan cook set is like a trusty sidekick for your outdoor cooking adventures. It packs neatly, and every piece has its place, like puzzle pieces fitting together. This set includes a 1-quart fry pan with a handle that folds and locks, which is pretty smart for saving space. You also get plates and utensils, so you won't have to bring a bunch of extra stuff. Plus, a spatula is included for flipping those campfire pancakes. The Stanley Wildfare Core 12-piece stainless steel set is made from stainless steel. This means it can handle the heat of a campfire or a portable stove. It's also BPA-free, so you don't have to worry about any bad stuff getting into your food. The set has 2 plates and 2 sporks, perfect for sharing a meal with a friend. The cutting board even has a helper, a silicone trivet to protect your picnic table from hot pots. This set has the quantity of items you need without being too much to carry. For anyone who loves camping, the Stanley Wildfare Core 12-piece stainless steel set is a great addition to your gear. It's designed to be easy to pack and use, and cleaning up is simple too. While it might not turn you into a gourmet chef in the wilderness, it helps you cook tasty meals. The flavor of your food will come from your ingredients and your cooking skills, not fancy equipment. This set is a practical choice for making the most of your time outdoors. And it's built to last, trip after trip. Pros: space saving, good for camping, has plates, includes sporks, has spatula, BPA-free, durable steel, easy to clean. Cons: plates are small, cutting board small, trivet feels floppy, utensil is basic, pan shape odd, might be heavy, no carry bag, fork, spoon melted. Report features: 12-piece set, stainless steel, fry pan included, fold and lock handle, includes plates, includes utensils, includes spatula, camping essentials, camp kitchen ready, BPA-free. This Stanley Wildfare Core 12-piece cook set is great for camping. It has a stainless steel fry pan with a handle that folds and locks. The set also includes plates, utensils, and a spatula. This is a good set of basic things you need for cooking and eating while camping. It's made without BPA, so it's safe to use. The small size makes it easy to pack for your camp kitchen. The Stanley Wildfare Core 12-piece stainless steel fry pan cook set is a compact and space-saving option for camping kitchens, featuring a durable stainless steel 1-quart fry pan with a folding and locking handle. It includes essential items like plates, dual-end sporks, and a 2-piece spatula, and it's made with BPA-free materials. While good for camping and easy to clean, some users found the plates and cutting board to be small, the trivet floppy, and the included utensil basic. The pan's shape was also noted as odd, and the set might feel heavy and lacks a carry bag. One report mentioned a fork-spoon melting issue, suggesting the basic utensils might not be very heat resistant.